I was winching these logs up with this PTO tractor winch, and it decided it wanted to stop working. So whatever that connects to inside of there is no longer connected. Pull this cover off and see what's up with that. See what makes this thing tick. Well, that's just for the drum. How do you get in behind here? Oh, there's a bolt back in here. Well, that would be your problem right there. Give y'all some light. Chain broke. Yeah, that was a master link that broke. Alright, you can see where that bent at. So luckily it's just the master link. So I'll just go pick one of them up. And I guess we'll put this back together tomorrow. New day. It's actually like 70 degrees today instead of the 40 it was yesterday, but break these guys loose. And came in a pack of 3 for the master links. So we just got to fish that guy around that. Although I'm not really sure how you do that, but this in here. Up here. Okay. Master links on. that there on. Now the problem is, oh, dang it. Why does that not want to go on there? Oh, it spins this way. I want it to spin this way. Oh, hang on. That's pretty good. Actually, before I put this guard on, I'm gonna spray this chain down with some oil first. Then we'll put it all back together. Let's hook this thing back up. I'll give you a demonstration of this thing working. So basically you pull the cable out, hook it to your logs, and then set the tractor up, make sure that's on the ground. It'll actually bite into the ground. and turn your PTO on and then pull this lever here. I'll show you. And here's what I've been doing. I've been winching these up. And then releasing the brake on the winch so it's free spooling. Then I drive on down here to this pile. Hang on, y'all probably can't hear me. Then I drive on down here to this pile, pull them all up, cut the stumps off, limb them, and then throw all that crap in the brush pile the stumps up, and then take the firewood over there. And that's how that works. Got these drug up here. People have asked me about this logging winch on the back and if I made it or not. I didn't make this. This thing's store-bought. It's a whatever that is. Yeah, EGV 35A. Yeah, I don't know what any of that means, but that's what it is. It just runs off the PTO. Like I say, you just pull one rope, releases it, and then you pull another rope. You know, these were longer, so you could stand out here, but stand right here. I need to take that stupid thing off. It's a good idea, but if you try to back this thing up at night, those lights hit that and that just reflects back in your eyes. That is weird though. You think I had these 3 trees hooked to this. I don't think that was too much for it because it was pulling it just fine. And then the motor bogged down and then it just quit working. But normally, if you hook to something, because we pulled stuff a lot bigger than that, if you hook to it, it'll stall out the tractor before anything happens to the winch. Anyways, that's what this is. So this isn't mine. Either Dad or my grandpa bought it. I can't remember if one of them bought it. Same with the tractor. It's not mine. I just use it all the time. So as long as they don't need it, I make sure I put it to work. And it's because if I bought it, it wouldn't have that name on the side of it. That's for sure. Anyways, that finishes this one up. I'm glad it wasn't nothing major. It was a simple fix. So, and now that I've had that off, I know the inner workings of that. Probably need to pull that inspection plate off every time we have it unhooked and oil that chain. Anyways, you guys have a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.